Okay, go. Huwag mo muna.
Not Daddy, Nanay. It's just a stick.
Okay, go.
No,
Okay, go.
Woohoo!
need a update.
Go where Auntie is. Go. Hold it.
Auntie, wait, Auntie.
Oh, yeah, then have to follow. Okay, go. Okay, go. Hold it.
Oh,
Hold it.
oh shit.
You're
Oh.
not holding it.
I'm not holding it.
You are supposed to hold it. Go. Mamaya yan. Okay, go. Where Auntie is.
Wait, Auntie, wait.
Come on, baby! Woohoo!
There, go. Okay, walk. Okay, keep going.
I don't like the bike.
That's okay. I got used to it.
You okay? Keep going.
Hi. Where you going? Turn your wheel to the right. Turn to the right. The right, like this. Okay, go. Okay, go.
This is it.
Yes. Oh, go to where Auntie is. Go.
Oh, a bed.
Yes. Oh, go. Go, baby, go.
Let's go.
Okay, go without glasses. Go.
Okay, Nana.
Turn right, turn right. Turn right.
This way.
Turn right. There. Good girl.
Ow.
Okay, it's okay. Oh, go. There. Look where you're going. Yay! See? I'm good.
Good
Auntie.
girl.
I'm good, Auntie. Mahirap din yan.
Yeah.
You have to balance.
Woohoo! You're so
Go this way
cute.
to Auntie.
Look at her face.
Yeah, go to Auntie. Turn your wheel.
I want to go over
I
there.
know. Turn.
And the
You want to go back now?
myself.
Go back?
She said she wants to bike by herself.
Oh, I know. Turn
No,
now,
I
turn.
don't want to go back.
Oh, you want to go back? Okay.
Oops.
Sit down.
Yay! Good girl.
Oh, go, Jasmine. Go. Go,
You
Jasmine.
have the picture.
Careful. It's okay. Keep
I'll show you later, okay?
We will see your movie later.
Come on.
Okay, go, walk. Come on. Push. Yeah. Use your feet. Yay. Look where you're going. Look at Auntie. Look where Auntie is. Keep going.
Jasmine.
I'm tired.
Oh. Okay, let's go now. Let's go home now. Oh, let's go home. You're doing good.
Say thank you.
Okay, let's go back now. Let's go back.
No back.
Oh, yeah.
No back. I want to walk.
I know you're walking through your bike.
No, Auntie. No, they.
Okay, let's go. I'll help you. I'll help. Okay, ready?
Go say yes, Nanay. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yay, let's go. Let's go. Hurry up. Hurry. Hurry. Come on. Come get me. Come get me. Yay. Good girl.
I know. Yeah, I'm holding.
She wants your...
Oh, come on. Okay. I'll run there. Okay, come on. Okay, you run after us. Okay, go. Listen. Let's go, Auntie. Okay, here, Auntie, we're coming. Ayaw mo na.
You done?
Matagal na rin yun.
Yay, good
Put your
job.
glasses on.
Good job.
Okay, here.